5-year lump sum, or 18th month cash payment? Well, friends, GSIS retirees, before you decide, please watch the full video. Pag-usapan natin ito para maganda po ang desisyon ninyo pagdating ng panahon. Right? Are you ready? Let's get started. First question, ano ba ang eligibility requirement or criteria na maka-avail nitong 5-year lump sum or 18 months payment? Answer, Republic Act 8291 or GSIS Act of 1997. Ang eligibility criteria po is number 1, you must have rendered at least 15 years of service and must be at least 60 years old upon retirement. Number 2, you must not be permanent total disability pensioner. So simply said, friends, 60 years old na po tayo and meron tayong 15 years of government service para maka-avail tayo nito. Yung 5-year lump sum or 18th month cash payment. So kung pasok po tayo, pwede na po tayo magplano and mag-decide ano ba ang options na kunin natin. Option 1 ba or option 2? So ano ba ang option 1 and option 2? Answer, option 1, lump sum and old age pension. So ang lump sum po is equivalent to your 60 months or 5-year old age basic monthly pension or BMP payable at the time of retirement. And BMP payable for life after the 5-year guaranteed period. So simply said, kung i-avail mo yung option 1, marilisan po tayo ng 5-year basic monthly pension. And then yung lifetime pension natin will start after 5-year na guaranteed period or matapos na po yung 5-year. Since i-advance mo yung pagkuha ng 5-year basic monthly pension. Right? So yan ang option 1. Option 2, cash payment and immediate old age pension. So number 1, cash payment equivalent to 18th month basic monthly pension payable upon retirement and immediate BMP payable for life from the date of retirement. So simply said, so pag mag-age tayo ng 60, then mag-retire tayo sa government service, we can have cash payment agad. So makareceive tayo agad ng 18th month BMP natin. And then, good thing, yung lifetime pension po is mag-start agad-agad. So hindi na tayo mag-wait ng 5 years unlike sa option 1. Let's have an example. This time may amount involved. So ito po. For example, Mr. A has 30,000 basic monthly pension or BMP. How much will he get if he selected option 1? So 5-year lump sum. So simply multiply 30,000 times 12. So bakit 12? Kasi in 1 year may 12 months. So ang result, 360,000 for 1 year. Times 5, kasi 5 years, that is equal to 1,800,000. So yan po ang ma-receive ninyo, sir, or ma'am, or si Mr. A, if he opted option 1. But then ang pension niya will start after 5 years pa. So option 2, 18 months ang gipili. So 30,000 times 18 months. So yan po ang pagkuha ng amount. So 540,000 ang makuha ni Mr. A na cash payment. And immediately makuha niya agad din ang lifetime pension or monthly pension niya. Hindi na siya maghintay ng 5 years. So ngayon ang tanong, ano ba ang maganda? Option 1 or option 2? Well, for me, if ako yung magsagot or papapiliin, I will select option 2. Why? Kasi apart from receiving cash payment immediately no na 18 months, meron ka pang monthly pension agad-agad, marilis agad sa'yo. Hindi ka na mag-wait ng 5 years. And good thing, na-enjoy mo ang 18 months na medyo may kalakihan din, 540,000. So kung may plano ka mag-business, pwede mo ito i-startup capital. Kasi ang option 1, I believe, medyo may kalakihan nga ang amount, 1,800,000. But then, 5 years after ka pa mag-pension. And hindi mo na-enjoy yung 18 months na makuha mo na cash payment. Bali, nawala na po yung opportunity to receive the 18 months. Di ba? Ang makuha mo lang is 5 years na lump sum. Wala na yung 18 months, nawala po if you observe. If I were to choose, I will definitely select option 2. Hope na nakuha nyo ang logic dito. So, I suggest option 2 tayo, friends. Para ma-enjoy natin ang 18 months. Hindi mawala. Alright? So, thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.